Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ella and today I'm teaching you how to do the half double crochet. Let's get into it. Let's learn how to half double crochet. To begin, you need to know how to chain, which I have a video on and I will link so you can go check that out if you don't know how to chain. But to start, you need any number of chains plus 1. So right now I have 11 so that I can do 10 half double crochets. To start, you're going to yarn over and then insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So not this one, this one. If you've seen how to single crochet that video, it's basically the same thing. We're going to yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over. And in a single crochet, you would have 2 loops on your hook, so you would pull through all 2. When you're half double crocheting, you have 3, and you're going to pull through all 3. Like that. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, not this one, this is the one we just worked in, this one. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. And you just keep going. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. And just do that until you reach the end of your chain. So I have 1 chain left. We're going to do the same thing. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. To start the next row, you're going to chain 1. You don't have to chain 1, but you can if you want to. Turn your work, and then continue. Yarn over, insert your hook through both of these. You have holes right here, 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 here. So insert through one of the holes, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Sorry, pull through 3. And then keep going. And just like that, you have your half double crochets. I hope that was helpful and that you learned something new. Just remember, keep practicing and you'll get a hang of it. It just takes time. Anyways, I will see you next week where I will teach you how to do the double crochet, the last basic stitch that I need to teach you. And besides that, I hope you enjoy the vlogs. I'll be doing a lot more of those soon. And that's about it. I'll see you next week. Bye!